In this video, I'll go over the story Surrey from Lesson 13 from Latin for Americans. Roman slaves were prisoners. Romans seized, perfect, lands one by one, direct object, by means of ablative many battles. And great was the number, genitive, of prisoners, captives. Careful, don't start with the sentence here because this is an accusative that's going to go after the verb, so I've got to find the verb. They moved, now here we go, they moved, perfect, captives, out of, ablative of place from which, out of Greece, out of Gaul, out of Asia, out of Africa, into, and this is N plus the accusative, so that I'm going to translate it into Italy, ablative to which. In the Roman family, ablative, a place where, there were many slaves, good and bad. Slaves carried water, direct object, nominative, verb, accusative, so subject, verb, direct object, into houses, again, ablative to which, or accusative to which, this is translated as into. They were doctors and farmers. They taught about life, about glory, and about friendship. Many famous Greeks were slaves and friends, genitive, of Romans. They literature protects, saves, literature of the Romans protects, saves the memory of the slaves. The punishment of a bad slave was great. Again, of a bad slave is genitive. Careful, don't start your sentence with this because they're accusative, so I've got to go find the verb. So here's my verb and here's my nominative. Many Romans freed good slaves. In, and this word is certain, in a certain house, or a certain Roman house, Maximus called or summoned the slaves. These are vocatives, because this would be Marcus and this would be Statius. The US becomes ni and the IUS becomes ni. So Marcus and Statius, it is the 5th hour. Imperative. Carry, so one by one, carry, and this is actually still vocatives, these are vocatives, carry timber, material, down from the forest. Another vocative. Cornelius, summon, imperative here, summon your ally, and another imperative, move the cart away from the road and move the horse away from the water. Then, another imperative, prepare dinner. I called, again, can't start with this, I got to find the verb. I called my friends on the high road, the high street, or sorry, I saw my friends on the high street and I called them to dinner. The servants carried material, okay, subject, direct object, and verb, carried material. They moved, direct objects, the cart and the horse, both in the accusative case. Then they prepared food, accusative, direct object, and they carried it near to the table. That's odd plus accusative. After after dinner, the friends remained, and Maximus showed pictures, and this is dative, to his friends. So a verb of giving, showing, or telling will take a dative. Showed pictures to his friends. Meanwhile, the slaves worked in the kitchen, appellative. Then the friends of Marcus, so nominative then genitive, the friends of Marcus praised the slaves and gave money, another dative, to them. Verb of giving, showing, or telling, direct object in the accusative, indirect object in the dative. One by one, they said, Wale, goodbye, to Maximus. So Maximus again is in the dative, a verb of giving, showing, or telling, indirect object in the dative case.